And action.
Just leave it, man.
Welcome to my channel. Okay, as you see, my braids are done. If you watched my previous video on how I braided my hair and what I'm inspired by and everything, it's not that long. You can watch it. You will understand why I did it, and that I said I was gonna make a video with these braids in. So here we go. Okay, I get every day to school or work or whatever type of makeup you're going. So I'm gonna be doing some parts on camera. Mostly I'm gonna do my eyes and my face. Okay, eyebrows, hold on, because it's gonna start playing. Okay. Eyebrows are done-ish. I'm gonna sit down with my eyebrow gel from Anastasia. I use chocolate. Again, this will be quick. You're not gonna see the whole process. If you want an eyebrow tutorial, I have one, kind of. But it's hot. Hello. Oh, are you taping? Yeah. I'm sorry. What you want, man? Can you press pause?
One eternity later.
Look at my freckles. My freckles. The concealer I use is by NYX Bold and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in medium. It's this one right here. Focus on me. Focus. Focus. There you go. Here. But I'm gonna use this as primer today. I have my primer right here, but I just want to do this one right here. Alright. Okay. Blend that out a little bit. The palette I'm using today is by Sigma. I'm using the Screen palette. These are the colors. I'm using it for the black because their black is bomb. I'm gonna take Thunderhead. That's what it is, but on the inside, it looks like that. Take Thunderhead right here and then it all around. Which one was it again? Right here. To take Almost Jet right there. It's the black. And you're just gonna put it on the outer corner, okay? See? Now that you see my mess that I created, but it's on purpose because I'm sharpening that boy my out when I put my liner on, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, next one's called Opulent. But it doesn't really look like that. It's this one right here. Right here. I'm gonna use my finger. And I'm gonna pat it all over my lid. Now that we're done with the eyes for now, until we do the bottom part, and I'm gonna smoke that. Look at my new sponge I got. I got this at Target. It was so much smaller and then I wet it and it just got... Summertime. I'm not my Fenty color and I don't want to buy another Fenty color, but last summer I bought this color and this is my color. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills, a stick, and I got amber. I've never been an amber in my whole life. It looks like I'm not amber right now, but I'm amber. Just being a... It's gonna match my neck, I promise. It's the Perversion mascara by Urban Decay. I use it a lot.
Finally done!
After, I don't know how many days of shooting to do this hair and then finally do this look. You're welcome. Okay, comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want. But for real, subscribe and share everywhere. Like, share it. My camera's about to die. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Picking it up. I'm loving, I'm living, I'm picking it up. Buy you anything, but I cannot buy you. Before your boy gets smart.
try to, don't think it to myself. I just wanna touch you, tryna.
If you text me one more time, I will block you, Mom.